Okay, I'm going to do a quick video here. Should be a couple minutes on how to fix the drag clicker on a BG 4000 Daiwa BG 4000 spinning reel. If you catch a lot of fish like I do, you may have problems with this. If you're not very good and you're not getting a lot of fish, you probably never have this problem. But since I caught dozens of bass up to 55 pounds in the last couple days on this, you might have this problem where you notice if a fish takes your line, you're not going to have any sound. Well, I'm going to show you how to fix that issue right now. What you have to do is take this drag off the top of the spool and spin it counterclockwise. This drag top will come off like so. You notice it has a hole in it. That's to put on that that thing right there. Alright, so once you do that, you pop off the spool itself, and then you look inside. You don't touch anything down there. Leave that alone. Don't touch that spindle thing or the gear thing or the nut thing. Don't touch any of that. That's for experts. You look down in there and you'll see like an upside down U clip. Those things get worn out if you can fish. It's not that thing in the middle, that O thing. It's that upside down U right there. And what you want to do if you don't have fat fucking fingers is put some pressure down on it and push it to the left so it's almost touching the O. So you're taking that upside down U clip thing and pushing it toward the O thing like that, and press down on it. If you have fat fucking fingers, you can use a knife or pliers and do it that way, but be gentle with it. You don't want to break that off. But press it down and to the left till the end of that U is touching that O thing, or right near it. If you catch some fish, those will get bent out of shape if you're any good. Alright, so what you have to do now, once you did that, you have to go and put that spool back on the spindle here. Now you'll see a hole there inside the O. Take that hole and put it back on. I think this is easy to do with fucking one hand. It ain't. Okay, put it back on so it's pretty nice and, nice and firm in there, right on the bottom. And then you're going to take this this drag top thing, and this is also going to have a hole in it. That hole is going to go on that spindle thing. And then once you put that on there, you want to go opposite where you went last time and go clockwise. Okay? Now I don't recommend you do this if you're not technically capable. But if you have any background in mechanics, I would go ahead and give it a shot. Now if you notice, once you tighten that up a little bit, if a fish comes by and next time you're fishing and you get it fish, and if you get a big one like I do, you're gonna hear that drag, nice drag sound like I heard all day today, all day, and I caught a lot of big fucking fish today. So I would advise you to get out there and fish. It's a good time of year to do that. And that's all for today. Next time I'll probably do a video on how to change out your reel handle.